welcome to Options Tender. It is after the bell, Friday, 3/12/21. First of all, I apologize. I'm a little bit under the weather, so we're going to get through this. We're not going to do any trade ideas. We're just going to look at the market, check it out with the new options expected move. That's our playing field for the week. And then we're going to go over to the ES on the 65 and examine where we might go next week and what we did today. All right, so before we get into this, go over to the Options Tender logo, hit that subscribe, and then if you like the information, please hit that like button. It helps us spread the word and spread the wealth. All right, so let's jump into it. We have the SPX. Here, the options expected move. Just as we were looking this week, we hit that options expected move to the upper side. Now we had 95-point range to the upside or 95-point range to the downside. We started off the week slightly down on Monday and never looked back. Okay, I would expect the same thing this week, and I'll show you on the lower time frame. We come back, maybe hit the 8MA or possibly even lower, and bounce and head to the upper expected move. So here we go. Let's put on some lines here. Trend is our friend. What we have going on right now is wave 1 down to wave 2, which is our rising pivot. Impulsive move off of that. So that would be our subwave 1. And we're looking for a subwave 2 before we head higher onto wave 3. Now the alternative wave count would be an X, Y, Z down below. And then head higher. But we're bullish either way. The key is for next week, what we're looking forward to is how far do we travel? Okay. If we stop short and head up, it's our wave count that we're looking for. If not, then we have to play it towards our alternative look. Okay, so let's go over to the 65-minute on the ES. We're going to keep this short, but hit that like button. Now, here's what happened today. We had Friday shenanigans. We had some buying. We had the selling pressure going. I was so sure we were going to get some of our retracements here, but we pushed, we consolidated, we chopped, and we ended up just like most Fridays with a push to the upside. Now, what did we do? We actually just back tested the wedge fail. So we had wave 1, 2, 3, and it expanded flat up to wave 5. And now we're looking for some sort of ABC, A, B, C in some sort of way. But just know that we're supposed to end up at the 61.8. That's the most probable, but it doesn't have to. It could be very shallow. We could do this 30 because we have all this confluence underneath. We have that downtrend. We have the 100 moving average. We have the 8 day moving average on the when we're on the daily frame. We have this 38.2, the 200. We have all sorts of things right here. So I'm just not sure we're going to get down to this level. But I am expecting a pullback right on Monday and then to lead higher to the upside. Okay. If we do just keep going straight up, we're just going to keep pushing divergences and we'll end up to the downside eventually. I'm not closing anymore. I actually added on more calls today. We'll go through those maybe later Sunday or so. But that's about it. We're looking for the pullback on Monday and we're looking for another follow through week. As a matter of fact, I would like to look at this wasn't planned. I would like to look at the weekly time frame for the SPX. And look at that. We had our reversal. We pushed off the 8MA. We're looking bullish. We're right at resistance. So I do expect a pullback or consolidation right underneath this resistance in order to push higher. That's natural. Okay. We don't usually just burst through all resistances, but once we get to all-time highs, then, there's no telling. We're going to have to look off of Fibonacci extensions and things like that. But just a beautiful weekly candle. So we're bullish. We're bullish all the way. The only way we're ever turning bearish at this point is that 20 moving average along with this rising pivot. We get under there, then we're talking another game, okay? All right, thanks for joining me here on Option Center. Sorry about the voice. Hit that subscribe and like. Good luck. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.